If you've just entered the world of crypto and someone tells you, go to a DEX, hold HODL some tokens but watch out for gas fees. And you're like, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain 10 essential crypto terms that every beginner must know. If you don't know these, you might lose your money, so stay till the end.
1. Blockchain. Think of it as a digital notebook that everyone can read, but no one can erase. It's transparent, secure, and records every transaction forever. 2. Wallet. This is where you store your crypto. There are two main types. Hot wallets, always connected to the internet, fast but less secure. Cold wallets, offline storage, like a USB stick, much safer for long-term holding.
3. Private key and public key. Your public key is like your email address. People use it to send you crypto. Your private key is your password. Lose it, and your crypto is gone forever. No, forgot password. Button.
4. Exchange. It's where you buy or sell crypto. CEX. Centralized exchange, like Binance or Coinbase. Easy to use but run by companies. DEX. Decentralized exchange. No middleman. You trade peer-to-peer, like Uniswap.
5. Gas fee. It's the cost of doing a transaction on a blockchain. On Ethereum, it can get expensive. Sometimes you pay $5 just to move $1. Yep, it happens.
6. Token versus coin. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum have their own blockchains. Tokens like Shiba Inu or Chainlink run on existing blockchains like Ethereum.
7. HODL. Originally a typo of hold, now a philosophy. Buy your crypto and don't sell, even when the market crashes. Some people made millions by doing just that.
8. FOMO. Fear of missing out. When you see a coin pumping and you panic buy just because you don't want to miss out. One of the easiest ways to lose money fast.
9. Pump and dump. A group of people hypes up a coin, pumps its price, and then suddenly dumps it. If you're late to the party, you're the one holding the bag. Not fun. 10. Rug pull. This is the ultimate scam. A fake project gets hyped, people invest, and then, boom, the developers vanish with the money. Always DYOR. Do your own research.
Now when someone says, HODL your tokens and watch out for rug pulls, you'll totally get it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe, because in the next episode, we'll dive into real strategies for buying, selling, and spotting solid projects. Which of these terms was new for you? Let me know in the comments.